So it's been way too long since I've changed the oil in my vacuum pump, and as you can see, it's turned dingy yellow. Time to fix that. So I've got my vacuum pump propped up on top of some 2x4s. So take out this little bolt here at the bottom. Then unscrew this little cap here on the top. Yeah, that's looking pretty nasty. That is some nasty yellow pump oil. And that could be why my pump's not getting nearly as good of a vacuum as it used to. And for upcoming experiments, I'm really going to need about as good a vacuum as I can get out of this. So I'm going to let this drain and drip and dribble for as long as it needs to, and oh, might be almost done. Yeah, clean pump oil should be crystal clear. This looks like canola oil. I can still see oil in here, so I'm like, wait, why is that not draining out? Come on. You can do it. Okay, I'm going to put just a little bit of clean pump oil through there. Try to flush the old oil out. Okay. That's tightened back up, and now I can refill this till I get the oil back to the fill line. Is this even filling at all? Oh, wait. Okay. It went a little above the oil line very quickly. It'll have to do. Put the cap back on and we'll give this a test in a minute. Since the vacuum gauge that I have isn't good enough to give me a proper quantitative measure of how good of a vacuum I'm getting, I'm instead going to re-evacuate the homemade plasma glow . Now I'm pulling a vacuum on helium. Whoa! Whoa! Cool! That is definitely a better vacuum than I had before. That's lighting up halfway back. Wow. Oh my goodness. That is wicked. Okay, do it again. The pressure is so low, the helium isn't even making much in the way of streamers anymore. It's just glowing. That is definitely an improvement. So checking the camera screen, the camera's showing pretty much the entire globe is just full of glow. The pressure is definitely lower now. At least lower than I used to be able to get. Nice.